Hi Kevin, so we're doing the brow lift today. So can you tell us exactly what's involved in the process?
Brow lifting involves, it's a very, very popular procedure for women the age 25 to 40, right? A few little lines developing in the forehead and the frown area, and they're anxious to get rid of them, right? How it works is, right, we'll put about 25 to 30 units of Botox along this area here. So what that does, it takes these muscles out of the equation. It hits the frown muscle as well, so stops the patient from frowning too heavy, right? But the other great bonus of brow lifting is it releases this muscle up here, the frontalis muscle in the face, to allow a little bit more pull on the forehead, right? So what that gives is just a little lift of the eyes. Makes the patient look a lot more fresher looking. It makes the eyes a little bit more alive, right?
And I guess one of the common questions that clients would have is it painful?
Well, like, it is a little needle insertion on the skin, but a lot of people describe it kind of like as a little mosquito bite or a pinprick. But it's nothing too excessive. You're only going in barely 0.5 millimeter into the skin. So it's not that excessive, you know. It's not going too deep.
And would it cause any bruising?
Sometimes you can, yeah. Some patients have very, very tough skin, and by the time you get through, there might be a tiny little pinprick. If it bleeds a small little bit, you tend to get a little bruise after, but it can be covered up with a little bit of makeup or whatever, you know. Yeah. So we'll just do the procedure here now. As I said, it'll be maybe 5, 6 little scratches along the surface of how you describe them, right? So just put our hand over the eye just to protect the eye. So the first little scratch, as you say, like the needle isn't going in very, very deep, you know. Just the middle in here now into the frown zone.
And would it cause any swelling on the face?
Just a mild irritation straight after, but in 5-10 minutes it tends to be, you wouldn't even know it was done, you know. All right.
And would you start to see results straight away, or would it take a few days?
No, about 5 to 7 days as the Botox hits its peak. Duration should last 4 to 6 months. 6 months is the target. Some people with very strong muscles wear off 4.5, 5 months in. The more you use Botox, the longer you get out of it. I have clients there who can get up to 8 months out of a procedure, you know.
And how much would a procedure like this cost around?
Botox prices vary depending on the type of Botox you use. Like the one I use is Allergan Botox. They invented Botox. They're the only ones allowed to use the name Botox, right? Okay. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's a lot longer lasting, right? One area of Botox now, like that is one area, right? That's €250 usually. All right.
Okay, brilliant. Thanks so much, Kevin. Thank you, Linda.